Heat exchanger connected with U-bending pipes is designed for high resistance against high pressure. Therefore, it prevents strain from high pressure and overheating. It consists of sensible heat and latent heat exchanger. By withdrawing condensed latent heat of vapor from exhaust gas, it increases the thermal efficiency. By lowering exhaust gas temperature slowly, it reduces the carbon oxide while increasing the thermal efficiency. Air-gas mixer premixes air and gas ideally to increase the thermal efficiency. Applying metal fiber to the burner, it minimizes nitrogen oxide and carbon monoxide emissions from exhaust gas. An intake pipe is an air inlet port used for combustion. It removes noise when drawing air and helps to draw in a set amount of air. It is designed to easily change the gas type and apply it immediately depending on status of installed site. A gas valve is used for supplying and cutting off gas. A flame detector senses the flame when infrared radiation emitted by flame goes over a setting amount. An electric transformer supplied the electricity to the electrode bar. When the cold water inlet filter detects water flow, it removes precipitate or debris in the pipe. A water adjustment valve senses to control direct water flow. A mixing valve mixes cold water with hot water depending on temperature set by a customer. An air pressure switch to prevent exhaust gas from entering inside. A condensing trap blocks the exhaust gas and discharges the condensed water. An adapter is composed of highly durable bronze material. It measures water temperature inside the water heater. It is composed of highly durable stainless steel material. It is a safety device cutting off product operation when temperature of its part becomes higher than a certain temperature. It prevents inner pipes and adapters from freezing. Wall-mounted brackets are installed on the wall for installing the water heater in the mechanical room or indoors. Then, the water heater is hung on the wall-mounted brackets. Next, vent and the pipes are connected to the water heater. This completes the installation. It starts to operate when a user starts to use domestic hot water. When water enters through the cold water pipe, precipitate or debris in the pipe are removed by the cold water inlet filter for supplying the clean domestic hot water. When the water control assembly detects water flow, the water heater starts to operate. The blower of the burner operates while performing pre-purge for 3 seconds in order to remove residual gas. Then, the electric transformer receives electricity to create flame for ignition from igniter continuously. Air is sucked in. Then, the air is scattered inside all over the water heater. 1.5 seconds after creating flame, the gas valve is opened while gas and air flow through the fan into the burner. The air and gas mixture inside air-gas mixer is moved through metal fiber. At this time, flame created on the igniter is mixed with air and gas to be ignited. If the flame is sensed, the flame is extinguished after 2 seconds and ignition would be operated normally. Heat exchanger is performed while cold water passes through the high-pressure U-pipes and pipes connected in series. The hot water after heat exchange is supplied to the faucet. Thus, a user can use the hot water on demand with stable temperature as they desire. Enjoy HTP Instantaneous Gas Water Heater. featuring cutting-edge and high-efficient technology. HTP.